Loyalty means respecting presence and absence. I stay to myself because I seen you all talk about people, then go hang around them. If you pay attention, the real ones are isolated. Consistency looks like nothing is happening until everything changes. The level up is about improving, not impressing. Focus on the step in front of you, not the whole staircase. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Cannot talk beauty a butterfly. Language is with caterpillar people. The child who is not embraced by the village will burn it down to feel its warmth. Always look for the fool in the deal. If you don't find one, it's you. Until the lion learns to write, every story will glorify the hunter. The sun does not forget a village just because it is small. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. Keep your feet on the ground, your heart on the cross, and your mind on heaven. Don't be afraid to walk away from things, places, and people that leave your soul heavy.